Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the vibrant world of real life, red, a product that redefines the essence of boldness and style. This striking item is not just a color, it's an experience that captures attention and exudes confidence. Imagine a shade so rich and dynamic that it transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, making a statement wherever it goes. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color to your everyday life or seeking that perfect accent to elevate your surroundings, real life, red is your go-to choice. Its versatility allows it to seamlessly blend into any setting while still standing out with its undeniable charm. Crafted with precision and designed to inspire, this product is more than just a visual treat, it's a testament to the power of color in enhancing our lives. So, if you're ready to embrace the bold and the beautiful, real life, red is here to make that vision a reality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.